Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add categories onto your site on Weebly. So let's get right into it. Now, categories are basically, well, as its name suggests, categories or groups of items or products you are selling on your store. And the way that you add these is through your dashboard. So let me just exit the editor really quickly. And once we exit here, we're going to go over into our items tab in the left sidebar. Now, once we're here, as you can see, you have site categories right over here. So click on that. That's going to take you over here. And now you can add a category. So let me add a category since I don't have one. So for example, category title, I don't know, clothes. You can choose which items go into this category. I'm going to choose the only two items that I have. Click done. So you do need to tab items previously if you want to create a category, or you can add items at a later date. Pretty sure that goes as well. You can add a category image if you wish. I'm not going to do that. And as for layout options, I'm going to choose no header. You can choose header as well. You can choose splash. Depends on what you want. You can display subcategories if you want to, which I'm going to do. And you can also, edit the SEO options to make your, page or your category more search engine friendly. Then I'm going to save and view, and that's going to take me over into the editor where it's going to create sort of a mock-up of a category page. So let's just wait until it loads. And once that loads up, this is what it should look like. And as you can see, you have clothes, which is the category name, and all the items within that category right below it. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.